In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning letter-by-letter animations in PowerPoint. This technique is perfect for grabbing your audience's attention, and it's easier than you might think, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you don't have it readily available, now's the time to locate it and get started. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation where you'd like to add your text animation. This could be a new presentation or an existing one depending on what you're working on. Next, go to the slide where you want to apply the animation. Click on the text box or the specific text you wish to animate. Make sure it's selected because this is the text we'll be focusing on. Now direct your attention to the top of the screen to the PowerPoint ribbon and click on the Animation tab. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to animating elements in your slide. You'll notice an array of animation options at your disposal under the Animation tab. Click the Animation drop-down menu to explore the different animation effects available. There are plenty of effects to choose from, allowing you to get creative. However, for today's purpose, choose an animation that suits your style or presentation theme. With an animation applied, look to the right side of the screen and click on the animation pane. This step is crucial because it helps you manage and customize how your animation plays during the presentation. The animation pane will pop up on the right side, providing a detailed view of your applied animations. Once the pane is open, find the animation you just applied to your text. Right-click on it. This action will prompt a menu to appear. From this menu, you'll select Effects Options. This step is essential for tailoring the animation to your specific needs. Now in the Effects Options dialog box, you'll see multiple tabs. Go straight to the one labelled Animate Text. This option lets you fine-tune how the text animates. Within the Animate Text settings, you'll want to select By Letter. By doing this, the animation will display each letter individually, creating that engaging and dynamic effect we're aiming for. Lastly, finalize your choices and close the dialog box by clicking OK. With that, your letter-by-letter animation is all set and ready to impress during your presentation. Give it a quick run through to ensure everything appears as expected. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to animate your text by letter in PowerPoint. This technique can elevate your presentations, making them more engaging and visually appealing. Thanks for tuning in and happy presenting.